Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 5th grade concept of area and perimeter. This is standard 5.4H in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 6 of the 2017 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and then we will look at our answers together. So I have a rectangular billboard. It is 9.35 or 9 3/500 meters wide, 6.82 or 6 8200 meters tall. So what is the perimeter? And there is no answer choices to select from, so we better get this right on our own. So let me go ahead and draw a rectangle here. And they give us our measurements here. So we've got 6.82, 6 8200 meters tall. And then we have got to do 9.35, 9 3/500 wide. So our perimeter, if we look at our mathematics chart, we will see this equation, 2L plus 2W. What this means is we're going to use a little bit of substitution to solve this. Remember, perimeter is the outside. So we are looking for how far around these four sides are. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take double the length and double the width. And it doesn't really matter that they called it width and height right here. We're just looking for double one side and double the other side because this is the perimeter of a rectangle. So let's make our length right here 6.82 meters. So what we're going to do is we're going to rewrite it like this. We're going to say 2, then I'm going to multiply by 6.82, because really there's two 6.82s. There's one on the left and there's one on the right. So we can either add them up, 6.82 plus 6.82, or we can simply double them. And then what we need to do is we need to figure out the width. We're going to double the width. We're going to do 2 times, and our width right here is 9.35. And the reason we're going to multiply it is because there's really two sides that are 9.35, the top and the bottom. You notice when I'm saying multiply, I'm actually just using parentheses. Because in 5th grade, we really start using the parentheses here. 2 outside of a parentheses, or any number outside of a parentheses, means multiply. It's just a lot easier to show multiplication that way. So I need to multiply 2 times 6.82. So let's see what that's going to look like. 6.82 times 2. And that's going to be 4, 16, 12, 13. 2 digits behind the decimal. And the factor, 2 digits behind the decimal in the product. So looking at our order of operations, we're going to multiply first. We've got that multiplication. So we've got 13.64 plus 2 times 9.35. Well, order of operations, we have another multiplication. So let's go ahead and take care of that. I've got my 9.35 multiplied by 2. We're going to double it. So that's 10, that's 6, that's 7, and that's going to be 18. 2 digits behind the decimal in my factors, 2 digits behind the decimal in product. I've got 18.7. So let me rewrite it again. I've got P equals 13.64 plus my 18.7. I don't really need the 0.70. Now we finally get to add. Let's add these things right here. 13.64, 18.7. Add them up. Bring the decimal straight down. We can put a 0 there if we really want to. 13. That's going to be 12. 32.34. So if I'm looking at my free response bubble here, it's going to look something like this. I have my decimal right there. I've got 2 digits behind the decimal. I've got 3 digits in front of the decimal. So make sure we put it right here, 32.34.